Foundation repair can take anywhere from 1 day to a couple months, all depending on the size of your project. We have such a large array of sizes of projects that it can vary quite a bit. We've been able to do a 3-pier job in a day, and we've done a 90-pier job and it's taken 3 months. It just kind of depends on that, as well as other circumstances. If your piers have to be driven to a deeper depth, it takes longer to drive and install the piers. And if your footing is relatively deep, it's just going to take longer to do the excavation and things of that nature. So a couple different factors, but ultimately the size of your project is dependent on the length that it's going to take to do. And that there is your foundation repair tip of the day.